This is the reconstructed balance sheet of problem number 22. So here the equity share capital is 50,000 after the present value got reduced to 5 rupees. Present value of paid up capital reduced to 5 rupees, it's 50,000. Then there was a fresh issue of rupees 6,515 equity shares. So that was a new issue. Equity share capital. It was 32,575. 32,575. Okay. The next, reserves and surplus. We have a capital reserve of rupees 10,700. So after writing of goodwill, P&L, preliminary expenses, the balance was left in the capital reduction that we have to transfer to capital reserve account, that is 10,700. And do we have any current liabilities? No. Okay. So no non-current liabilities, non-current liabilities in the problem. Just put it nil. Then secured loan, no, we have nil. And unsecured loan, nil. And current liabilities. So before reconstruction we had overdraft, bank overdraft and sundry creditors, but if you see here, the company paid 12,000 to the creditor. So after reducing, the creditor agreed to reduce their claim to by 3,000. So after that reducing the 3,000, the claim towards creditor was 12,000. So that is paid by the company through cash. So we don't have any creditor, as well as we don't have any bank overdraft. So bank overdraft is also paid by the company. So no current liabilities, it's nil. Let's see on the asset side. Okay, building, there is no any change in the building value, it remains same, 20,500. Machinery, it is reduced to 40,850. If you see the fourth point, you will come to know. Then under current asset, we have stock 10,275. Under debtor we have 15,000. Cash, bank, let's see how much we have in the cash. So this is cash and this is bank column. Cash we had 1,500. Okay. They have paid for creditors. The company made a payment through cash. So before that we need to arrange cash. So by issuing shares, we got 32,575 in our bank account. So which is add new issue, new issue 32,575. Okay. So here the company needed 12,000 to make a payment to creditor. So what they did, they withdraw 12,000 from the bank. This is withdraw. Here we need to add. Okay. Here we need to add 12,000. Here we need to reduce. Okay. So after reducing it, just a second, I'll get my calci. Yes, here we have here we need only already we have 1500, so we need only 10,500. That's it. We need cash of rupees 10,500. So we'll make it 10,500. 10,500 because already 1500 is there in our cash balance. So we needed only, the company needed only 10,500, which is withdrawn by the bank. So here it becomes 12,000. So paid to creditors 12,000. It's nil. Okay. So 32,575 minus 10,500, 22,057. This is withdrawal. This is withdrawals. And there is one more payment made by the company, that is bank overdraft. How much it was? 15,425. This is towards bank overdraft. Okay, after making a payment, how much left into the bank account? That is 6,650. Okay, I hope you got this. We'll show nil here, and here we have 6,650. Let's see tallies or not. 50,000, 32,575, 10,700. So it's on liability side, it is 93,275. Okay, and on building side we have 20,500, 40,850, 10,275, 15,000, 6,000. Yes, it's again 93,275. Hope you got this balance sheet.